Hey guys, so today we have a Castle Creation Sidewinder Sct 3800 kV motor and ESC combo. This is going to be going into my slash build, which I'm going to start posting videos on. Just starting the channel up, so if you want, like and subscribe. Let's get right to the video. Right away, a bunch of foam padding, just the driver's guide. Read that later. Quick start, gearing chart, and just some castle stickers. Got the actual motor here. Comes with 3 screws. And then pull the actual motor itself out. And a bunch more padding. Nothing else in the box. Toss it aside. And here's the motor. Come on, focus. 3800 kV. 3S LiPo max. When it's 2S, because I'm putting in the 4x4 slash. 100,000 RPM max. 4 pull for more torque. So that's out of the way. Some 3 plugs. And 2 zip ties in the bottom of the box. Just to secure this. Ooh. Just to secure this motor fan. That's some zip ties, and then here's the actual ESC itself. It's got a fan on top, which I've kind of happy because I've heard that these ESCs in the past would overheat. Switch. And it's ready for your own connectors, so I'm going to be doing that here right away. And just plugs to plug it in. So that's the end of this video today. Please like and subscribe, and we'll be back with more build videos. See ya.